Hi guys, let's create a new project. Go to stock image, search for background, select the video frame color, suppose this one. Go to your media, import media, select the video, let's go with this one. Click on empty space, change to proper aspect ratio, totally up to you. Bring the video to the timeline, scale it down a little bit, select the background layer, go to crop, adjust the video frame width, confirm it, give the background layer same length as the video clip, hold shift, select both layers. Now adjust the size and the rotation of the video. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.